I'm Saninan from Tuesday Fundamental Math. So today I'm going to teach you the chapter 6.3 about exponential compounded revisit. So in this chapter is remain 4 main point about exponential compounded. So let's start from the first one, continuous compounded interest. Second one is continuous compounded rate, and third one is doubling time. Fourth one is doubling rate. So today I'm going to explain you for this topic how to solve the problem by using for this topic. Let's start from compounded interest. This is the formula which apply for compounded interest. P is the present value or original sum. R is the interest rate. For example, 2% equal 0.02. And N is the number of times compounded per period. T is the period of times, and FV is a value is a future value or the result. Let's start let's start with the example. This is the example of continuous compounded interest. If you have money $1,000 compounded quarterly with 5% interest for periods of time 5 years. So this is the formula to apply for calculating the result. 1,000 is present value. 1 is the number. Okay, and 2 is the interest rate. 4 is the number of compound per period. And 5 also is the number of times compounded per period. So if after you apply this formula, you will get the number. You will get the 1,104.90. So after 5 years, this is the value of it. And let's move on to the second example. This is how long would it take to achieve 2,000 within 1,000 and 10% interest rate compounded twice a year. So this is a formula like the previous one. Using 1,000 is the period value. So in this one, using the formula, in 2 is the number of time compounded, and T since we don't know it yet. So from this formula, we're going to solve the value of T as is shown. So 2 is how to get the 2. 2 is divided from 1,000. 1,000 divided by 1,000. And in this one, using log to solve the problem, or if you're more comfortable in using log, you can use it to solve this problem. After that, you will get 3 and log 2 divided by 2 log 0.5. And after calculating, you will get 7.10, or approximately 7.5 years, which you need to take to achieve 2,000. Here is the formula of continuous compounded. What is the continuous compounded? It is earning interest on the top of interest. In this example, if we have $1,000 compounded continuously for 6 years within 7% interest rate. So using this formula, after calculating, we will get 1,521.96. And let's move on to the second example. How long would I need to wait in order to achieve 300% P within 8 interest rate? And using this formula, take out T from both sides, and after that we will get this is that show. And in this one, using launch into the both with the both sides and take out T, and then using launch T divided by 0.8. After that, after calculating, we will get 13.73 or approximately 14 years. After that, here is the third topic. It's about doubling time. So, what is the doubling time? Doubling time is how long it would take with interest rate for a sum to double. 70 divided by R is the formula of it. So what is the origin of 70? It is 100 run 2 is the origin of it. And R for this, in this one, capital R, for example, 2% equal to, with different from the previous one. In case where in the small r, where 8% equal 0.08. Let's move to the example. How long do you need to wait for a sum of money to double with 0.9%? In this one, 70 divided by 0.09 will be approximately 78 years. Here is the last topic about doubling rate. It is similar to the previous case with it is doubling time. In this one, it is 70 divided by T. For using this formula for looking for the percentage. What is the percentage do I have to look for if you want my sum of money to double within 16 years? So let's apply the formula. 70 divided by 60. After calculating, it will be approximately 1.17%, which means it will need 1.17 interest rates for sum to double after 16 years. And this one, how to check? To prove that it is true, we apply the result of this one by using the continuous compound formula, putting 16 over here and 1.17 here. If it is 2, the result should be 2, because it is supposed to be 2 times double. And thank you for watching and paying attention for my video.